Hello, my name is Kanji Coder. You're on video 890, also known as BFJ 190, and you are on the fast code reviews for the MMO that we are creating from complete scratch. We're making a fully destructible fractal geometry bomb game. Bomberman on steroids. Source code is here. You're on this playlist right here. We better get fucking going. So inside of the BOMTHOT function section, within the BOMTHOT simulation putter that puts a bomb into the tile map, this tile size, this GTX GTY global tile chord, this bomb value, and this bomb state, right? All these values are right here in the same order as these with the I for input. Let's scroll down and see the bug fixes that we did. So we did a whole bunch of bug fixes. Scrolling down here, we've made a new section called BOMTHOT vars. We have bomb, level local X, and level local Y. We have bomb, R4X, R4Y. This is the room cell coordinate on our data layout. We take a 512 by 512 chunk of memory, subdivide it into 128 by 128 pixel cells, and this address tells us which of those cells on the 4x4 grid we're inside of. Where is the memory for our level data? That's what this cell coordinate is here. Okay, let's scroll down. Okay, thought bomb into tile map. Let's scroll down further. Thought, ignore, or put. Are we in the central level pack? Yes, we are. What are we doing down here? We've removed the const declaration from bomb level local X and Y. That is a fix. And we've removed the const declaration from bomb R4X, R4Y. That is also a fix. Okay, down here, room data cell local XY. So instead of just changing these lines of code right here, I decided to just declare LMX and LMY. So LMX, LMY is just taking the bomb informal namespace off of here, stripping it off, and copying this over to here, so that now these equations down here have actual defined variables. So that's the last fix. Scrolling down, I'm pretty sure that's all the fixes, right? Yeah, that's all the fixes. That's all the fixes. So if you want a longer explanation, you'll have to go here. You're on the speed run. Source code is here. Ways to get a hold of me. My name's Kanji Coder. I'm making a fully destructible fractal geometry side-scroller Bomberman MMO. Like and subscribe.